Hello, my name is Stephanie and I am your window expert from Window City. I hope you find this awning window video helpful. If you'd like to stay up to date on future videos, make sure to subscribe on the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon below. Enjoy!
Our classic and heritage maximum awning windows come standard with a wider 4.5-inch fusion welded frame and sash for superior strength. These windows are made with a multi-chamber design, which significantly increases overall strength and energy efficiency. The windows also come with a double co-extruded hollow bulb seal on the frame for added insulation value and triple fin weather seal on the sash to eliminate air and water infiltration. The hidden weep holes on our frame are designed as part of our high-tech drainage system to allow water to escape from the window. Our premium hardware system is standard with fold-down, low-profile nesting handles. They can easily open the window to 45 degrees from the bottom, letting air circulate while keeping rain out. The hardware stainless steel construction is built to last, and the dual arm action ensures smooth operation. Our multi-point lever locks ensure a consistent tight seal for added security and insulation value. The smooth edge overlap screen has a hidden retention system for easy removal from the inside to clean it. Double strength glass is standard in our insulated unit, along with low E 180 neat glass with an S-Class all-foam super spacer. It is a true dual-seal warm edge spacer system to reduce condensation and to provide the highest Energy Star performance. You can even choose your sealed glass unit with options from double pane to triple pane to tri-pane with argon or krypton gas or a mix of argon and krypton inside to provide superior insulation values. Special glass options are available within colors such as bronze or gray and different finishes such as frosted or sandblast. Grills and divided light options are available to create a unique architectural element to your windows. Our classic windows are designed with a smooth, unique European profile and come with a tapered brick mold built into the frame. Our Heritage Maximum have been designed with a contoured slimline profile with 40% less frame to offer the maximum glass area. Our awning windows are Energy Star and CSA approved and come with a non-prorated lifetime warranty. Please visit our website at www.windowcity.com for the latest available options to personalize your windows. You will find that you can choose from various interior and exterior trim options, glass and glazing options, and many premium window hardware finishes. You can even choose from our exclusive capstock standard colors, an interior sustainable oak wood laminate, or several paint color options. If you are building your dream home or renovating your existing home, come to Window City, Canada's most trusted manufacturer of windows and doors.